Hello folks, want to do a quick video on this features page here. We're talking about market story, hyperfiltering, some tracking and real-time application here. So what we see here are a number of different scans and ways to dissect the market. And for example, I've created a Mag 7 scan here and I've got it hyperfiltered, as we might want to call it here. You can see a number of data points that are across the top in the columns here, and we have over 500 different data points. 200 and some out of those can be added in different combinations to these kinds of scans so that we can look at our top lists, look at our watch lists, and get fixated on the data points that matter most to us, all in real-time application refreshing on its own. Market picture, right? A bigger, deeper dive into the market here. We have a heat map or a tree map, if you will, of the sectors here. You can create your own, customized, use ones that we have already, and it's going to show you where the money's flowing into what sectors during that day. But if that wasn't enough to help you with market direction, maybe a risk on, risk off type of look, we've got our compare count windows here. And each one of these I've individually created to use different market caps. So we could look at the way the market's moving in different directions based on different capitalization of the stocks that are moving the market and in those directions. Each one of these is also very customizable here. As they run through the day, they'll start to tilter one way or the other, giving you the best optimal real-time look at what the data is doing in the market at that moment. Other questions, please reach out to us, info@trade-ideas.com. Happy to answer any and all of your questions. You can also visit our site, trade-ideas.com. Start a live support chat with us. Take care.